We're at number 3, and this is one of my favorite things that Desmos does. The table shows the amount of time it took Robert to complete each of the 5 tasks in a project. What was the mean time in minutes for Robert to complete a task for this project?
I like mean.
Mean. Well, how do you calculate a mean? What's another word for mean?
Average.
Okay, how do you calculate an average?
So basically, you add all your numbers in your data set and then count the numbers of numbers in the data set, if that makes sense. So like if the data set was like 4, 5, 6, 8, and then so 4, 1, 5, 2, no 4, 5, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it was 4. So we add 4, 5, 6, and 8, and then we divide it by how many numbers are in the data set, which in this case is 4.
All right. I wish someone was looking at my screen because then he would have used the numbers on the screen. But what he's saying is you would add these numbers and divide by how many numbers there are. And what's crazy is you don't have to because we're using Desmos. So you actually just type the word mean with a parentheses and you enter all of these numbers.
Everything in that
5, comma, important to use a comma,
y'all are
2,
lucky.
comma,
Y'all are
15, comma, 9, comma, 9.
y'all are lucky you have a system that'll do it for you.
Oh, yes. Okay, and it comes out 8. That's it.
Wow! I didn't
8.
know the mean finder can actually find the mean.
It does. Now, if we did this Owen's way, and that's completely valid, 5 plus 2 plus 15 plus 9 plus 9 is 40, and we divide 40 by how many numbers there are, which is 5. Again, we get 8. Okay, so if you forget mean, if you forget how to use that, just remember how to take that average. But yes, easiest is to do mean, put your numbers in, you get 8. Number 4, the equation gives the possible combinations of the number of 2009 premium grade log cabin pennies, X, and the number of 1996 select grade Lincoln pennies, Y, in a collection that is worth a total of $170. If there are 6 1996 select grade Lincoln pennies in the collection, how many 2009 premium grade log cabin pennies are in the collection? So this is a whole lot of words for no reason. They start by giving us the equation. So I'm going to put the equation in Desmos in the calculator.
Guys, speaking of this random game you guys probably don't know about, I have full green angels now. Yay!
I don't know, he's on his computer.
Yes, those are my little pets that will help me blow lots of very big
Okay,
bubbles.
we're going to get back to math. All right, so
Dang it.
it says X is the 96 Lincoln and Y is the. Wait, I am confused already. Okay, X is the premium grade log cabin. Y is the select grade Lincoln. And it's saying if there are 6 select grade Lincoln, how many of the other are there? So there's 6 of the Lincoln penny. Lincoln penny is Y. So the most confusing part of this problem is just keeping track of which is X and which is Y. They do that on purpose. Okay? When we type that in, we're going to look at the line it gives us, and our x-intercept is our answer. So in this case, 13 is our answer. It would be 13 of that other kind of penny.